Hello everyone, in today's episode I want to cook Chinese stir-fried tomatoes and eggs. This is a common recipe in China that combines traditional Chinese cuisine with modern Western ingredients. "300 grams ripe tomatoes cut in large chunks, 4 sliced spring onions, separating the stem from the soft green leaves, 1 garlic clove, 3 teaspoons ketchup, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon white pepper, half teaspoon smoked paprika, a quarter of a teaspoon chili flakes, and 40 ml vegetable oil. To begin this recipe, add half teaspoon salt over the cracked eggs and use an egg whisker to beat the eggs until a small layer of bubbles is formed on top. The key step of cooking a tender egg is to get it well beaten. The air accumulated inside the egg bubbles can help make them fluffy and soft. Heat about 40 ml oil in a wok or pan and pour the beaten egg in. Then wait a few seconds until the mixture firms. Turn off the heat immediately after and then break the egg into smaller chunks, transferring the egg out and leaving the remaining oil in the wok. When done, add the spring onion stem slices and press garlic in the heated wok, adding a bit more oil if not enough left from the eggs, and fry them for 4 minutes on medium heat. Now we will add the tomato chunks into the wok and mix them with the spring onion and garlic. By doing so, we are giving some extra flavor to our tomatoes. After a quick stir, we will add the rest of our spices over the tomatoes. We add half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon white pepper, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Now we will mix 1 teaspoon cornstarch with 1 tablespoon cold water, add the cornstarch mixture over the tomatoes, then add ketchup or tomato paste and mix well together. Let it cook on medium heat for 8 minutes until the tomatoes are soft and tender. When done, add the scrambled egg chunks in the pan and whisk to combine the tomato juices into the egg. Cook them for another 2 minutes on low heat. In the end, add the sliced spring onion leaves to give it more flavor and color, and you're ready to serve this delicious dish together with some cooked rice or noodles. I think this is an easy Chinese dish that I would recommend adding to your recipes list, and I do hope you will enjoy it. Till next time.